Hello! To customize keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you'll have to go into the Galaxy Store right here and take a look for the application called Good Luck. Simply install this application and then open it. And from here you will have to find the plugin, just in a moment, you'll have to find the plugin called Keys Cafe. And it is somewhere available on this list of the plugins right here. You simply have to install this plugin, Keys Cafe, and open it. And from here you will have to enable these two switches to make your own keyboard and style your own keyboard. You'll have to enable two of these and then move into style your own keyboard. And right here we have some ready themes, as you can see, some pre-installed themes, and here you can make your own theme. So let's press this plus icon right here, and we have a lot of different options right here. I mean, we can change a lot of different colors. We can change the color, for example, of the buttons. You can change the transparency and saturation of these colors. Let's, for example, set this color for the buttons. We can also change the font color. We can change the saturation, as you can see, and a lot of different stuff. Let's set this font right here, and you can also change the color of these buttons when they are pressed, so that's also kinda nice, as you can see. So there are a lot of different things that you can do with these buttons. And yeah, as you are basically done with the customizing, you have to press this button to download it, and you have to give it a name for your theme. And as you can see, it is right now available right here in your themes. And from now you simply can select this theme, and you can also go into the effects, and here you can change the animation of the button when it's pressed. And here are also some different animations. Here's the key motion effect, here you can see the key color effect, and here's the keyboard color effect. So yeah, there are a lot of different things to customize here. Let's, for example, set this one, and maybe leave this one, and here this keyboard effect. Let's select this one, and here's the preview of how it would look like. Here you can also change the colors, and as you are done, you basically have this button for the keyboard, and here you can have the preview of how of the results that you have right here. And additionally, you can also change the sound of the keyboard. As you can see, as you press on these touch sounds, they are also like, there's a preview of these sounds. So yeah, that's it. That's how to basically customize your keyboard theme. Thank you for watching.